Hello Simtech Buzz, we've got a new product here. I'm just going to give you a quick first look at unboxing. A few people have been asking about this, and it's new Crossky C50 dual magnet drivers, self-adaptive left and right audio, and premium and leather metal finish. And you got Bluetooth 6.0, IPX5 waterproof as well, advanced direction algorithms, and auto-tuned audio for your ears, which is cool. And we'll be checking these out in full very shortly. You've got built-in bass with an dynamic EQ algorithm as well, and all that kind of good stuff. And you've got the dual magnet drivers, which is good, which are 10.8 millimeters. So let's take them out and have a look, and we'll give you first look. As I mentioned, a few people are asking about them, so we're going to show you while we take them off on holidays and test them out. So this is the box. Going to open it. Up front you have got your user guide, and that's where you put them on. So you can use these either side, which is pretty cool. Here is the case, and in here we have got our extras. Let's see where this opens. So you've got your cable, USB-C, USB-A. Of course there's no tips with these, so lots of these, there's lots of these new earbud styles out now, none of them require tips. But here we are, and it's the case that is absolutely fantastic here. It's got the QCY branding on the back and a little note on the front there as well, as you can see. Lovely textured finish, nice and grippy. You got an LED light up front, and down the bottom you got your Bluetooth and reset button, and of course your USB-C port there. Open up like so. We'll take them out and take off these little tabs and pop them aside. So that's one, and two. So this is what they look like in the flesh. Got that kind of pearl finish to them, and they have a nice accent on them as well, as you can see. So bring them up close there. That's what they look like, and that's the two of them there in hand. And for size, they're small, compact, yet they've got powerful specs, which is really nice to see. You've got wind reduction as well, up to 45 decibels of call noise isolation, 4 mics, noise reduction on calls. So there's a lot going on here for a little money, which is really cool, and that's really about it. So stay tuned for the full review very soon. We look at the app, look at everything else, and yeah, pretty nice finish today. Is look really well, and this is the design you're going to be getting here from a lot of manufacturers this year. And yeah, something you should be checking out, because we've tested similar before and they're quite good. So don't be afraid to try. It's like the open ear ones that go down, and the bone conduction and air conduction. These are another new style as well, and they finish out in this fabulous case. As you can see, there's your LED light coming on there now, and that's basically it. So stay tuned for the full review. Any questions, drop them below. We'll see you soon.